Hey, what's up guys? Alan here with NVX, and today we're looking at our all-new XQA12001 monoblock amplifier. Now this amplifier is high-res ready. So what does that mean? Well, that means that it's got really high-end specs. So normal amplifiers typically play from 20 to 250 hertz is their frequency response. For a monoblock, this one plays from 10 to 400, so a much broader band of frequencies. So that just really means that you're going to hear more detail in your music depending on the audiophiles and of course the rest of the components of your system if they're on par. This happens to be one of our first amplifiers where we have one top mount controls that you can see here, and two, everything being single-sided. So what does that mean? That means everything is all on one side. So you've got your power input, your speaker output, your RCA inputs, everything's all on one side. Power on this amplifier at 4 ohms is 500 watts RMS. At 2 ohms, it's 800 watts RMS. And of course, just like the model number indicates, it's 1200 watts at 1 ohm. The one thing that's unique about this series is it actually has our X-Boost technology, which is our ability to overcome bass roll-off. So what's awesome about this series is that if you're using it on a factory car stereo, some factory systems suffer from bass roll-off. And what that means is as you turn up the volume, the bass rolls off. Manufacturers do this intentionally, so they prevent you from blowing the factory speakers. Well, that's not good when you're hooking up an aftermarket amplifier and you're trying to get that bass performance that you want. It's going to do the exact same thing. So with our X-Boost circuit, that allows you to adjust and actually put back in the signal that rolled off that was lost, giving you enhanced bass performance like you would want to have it as if you had an aftermarket car stereo. You'll see your low pass, your bass boost frequency that you can adjust separately, your subsonic filter, phase, and gain. So all of this series use nice metal pots, 41 clicks on the low pass filter, making it really easy to dial in for precise adjustments. On the front side here, you'll see the 1201 features 4 gauge inputs for power, 8 gauge outputs for speaker wire, your remote bass knob input, which of course we'll touch on in a minute, and of course the turn on mode. So as I mentioned, of course this amplifier can be used with factory car stereos. We give the ability to use the wired remote turn on, DC offset, or audio signal sensing, depending on your configuration on how you want to use this amplifier. Also, you'll see the nice real Tiffany style RCAs, and through the RCA you can do high level and low level. So you don't need to use a high-low adapter or anything. All of that's ready to go. You just flip the switch and that's super easy. Bass knob, we include the cable. It's long enough to go from the back of the car to the front of the car in most applications. And of course the remote bass knob. It's actually a really nice remote bass knob that we include in all of our amplifiers. It has a really good feel to it, and I think you'll enjoy it. It has the ability to peel the double stick 3M tape on it and adhesive tape it if you prefer not to screw and make any holes in your vehicle, or if you'd like to use the mount that it comes with. We do include the screws for it where you can attach it to your vehicle anywhere. And when you're done making all your fine-tuned adjustments and making it sound awesome, you can just slide back on this plate, reattach it, and you're good to go. Of course, there's a lot more detail that you can read on this amplifier. I'm going to include the link below, so make sure you check it out so you can see all the details on the XQA12001. And of course, make sure you like, subscribe so you can see more awesome videos like this. Once again, I'm Alan with NVX. I'll see you next time.